How to find duplicate photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Scroll down and go to the Utilities section at the end. Then, tap on Duplicates. Once you're here, you can view all the duplicate photos on your phone. If you want to merge any two duplicate photos from here, then tap on Merge beside them as shown. Tap on Merge again to confirm. You have now successfully merged these photos into one. You can also choose to delete any one of the duplicate photos instead. Press and hold that photo and then select Delete at the end. Tap on Delete Photo to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily find duplicate photos on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.